Hello all, let's look at the solution for multiplication of numbers. Let's look at the question first. Given an array A of n numbers and an index I, we have to find the product of all the numbers in the array except the number at the index I. So for this, you will be given a function with the array, the number of elements in the array and the index I as its arguments. All you have to do is to return the answer from the function. Let's see the sample input 0. The first line of the input contains the number of elements in the array. The second line of the input has all the elements of the array, and the third one has the index I. So we have to find the product of all the numbers in the array except the number at the index 0. So the number at index 0 is 4. So we have to find the product of 8, 2 and 1. So 8 into 2 into 1 is 16. So the output is 16. So let's code the solution. The main function is already returned. So all you have to do is to write your logic in the multiplication of numbers function and return the answer from this function. So the array A is the array which contains all the numbers. N is the number of elements of the array A, and I is the index. So for this, what we do is we take two integers j and product. We initialize product to 1. Now we loop through the array. So for j0, j less than n, j plus plus. So if j is equal to I, we say continue. Why do we do this? In the question, it's mentioned that we want the product of all the numbers in the array except the number at the index I. So whenever j is equal to I, we say continue because we don't want to include the number at the index I in a product. So if j is not equal to I, we say product is equal to product into a of j. And now we return product. So now let's run the code and see if it's working for the given sample input. Okay, it's working. Now let's submit our code. Okay, it has passed all the test cases. So that's the solution. Thank you.